Good afternoon, the world, and welcome to another episode of Eccentrics Understands. My name is Eccentrics, and today we're starting right now on a video called Splitface. Please give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. So Splitface, I've actually prepped my skin. I have my eye cream on, I have my repair serum on, and I have my moisturizer. I use the Lancôme eye cream, followed by the Absolute Genifique repair serum, followed by my Premium BX day cream. So this is all about the power of concealer and the magic of concealer and what it can do. So this side of my face over is going to be done, and this side is actually my pure skin and what it looks like on a normal regular basis. I have not shaved, so you're gonna have to bear with me on that one. So let's get started. I'm applying my lip balm first so that I can talk from Lancôme to moisturize my lips, just like so. An amazing hydrating lip balm from Lancôme Absolute. Secondly, I'm actually going to use the Bobbi Brown concealer in Light Bisque. And what I'm actually going to do is use the heat from my fingertips, go up like this, and push it into the skin. Come down as well, pushing it into where that blue vein is, patting and tapping at the same time, going down the bridge of my nose on one side to get the redness out, up onto the brow bone as well. And this really totally opens up your eye. It helps with redness. And I use this product on a daily basis. It's my magic product. And it loves heat as well. So we spoke about it previously in another video as well. But if you haven't ever tried it, I suggest you actually going out to your local Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, or if you're in the rest of the part of the world, any fine department store as well, and purchasing this product. So there, it's concealed my redness. We've done around the bridge of my nose as well, and around my eye area too. Next is the Magic Wand from Bobbi Brown. This is the retouching wand from Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna remove the top, do a little click, and I'm gonna come right here and down a little X mark, okay, on my cheek, where I have the redness, right here, another X mark, and right here as well, down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to blend. Bobbi Brown was actually in New York City, and she used this product as a quick and easy way to basically touch up flawless skin in a cab in like 2 minutes. So if you're feeling that you're not revitalized, you can apply this, and it's super easy to do. And just like voila, it's the Bobbi Brown retouching wand. Magic in a pen. Following that, we are going to actually do something with my brows. Now, we spoke recently about brows, and we want to talk about brows just briefly. So these are microbladed, but I'm actually going to fill them in with like a soft black color so you guys can see that you can actually change what it actually looks like. So just doing a little feathery strokes here so you guys can see the difference. And then we're going to talk about where your eyebrows should start and where they should finish. So just like so. Sorry for the silence, I'm concentrating. So what I've done is I'm actually making this a little thicker on this brow and changing the shape even though it's been microbladed, and darkening it. Now I can also lighten it at the same time. Following that, we're going to take our trusty Stila brush, and we're actually going to, I'm not going to use the Stila brush. I'm actually going to use another brush, and we're actually just going to comb through the brows like so to give it a nice professional finish. Now in cosmetics, I've seen many different things happen with brows, and we can talk about that. So I don't know, I drew a little picture out for you so you could actually see what comes into the cosmetic department. We have the half moon right here, followed by the swiggle, okay, that happens. We have the V, the arch V. Then we actually have the square box. And then we have what's kind of called a line. It's not really quite a straight line, but it's really not a curved line at all. So it does not look like brows at all. So when you're actually doing your brows or you get them done professionally, you want to make sure that your brows start here. So basically lining this up at a 90-degree angle, lining this up at a 90-degree angle, and that's where they should start. They should have your arch on a 45-degree angle here. Same with your arch on a 45-degree angle here as well. And then they should actually extend from the inner corner and upwards as well. And mine do, which I want them to. Any tweezing that needs to be done can be tweezed out as well. There's a little hair there. I'm just going to tweeze it out like so. You can get it waxed, but I prefer just using a tweezer. Then we're actually going to apply the Seals Booster from Lancôme. This is your moisturizing primer. You can apply this. It helps to moisturize the lash. Lashes themselves are dry, and you're actually putting a mascara that can be drying on the lash, so you want to moisturize it. Your mascara comes off a lot faster and a lot easier, but with this, it gives you a much more grandiose effect. And speaking of that effect, we're going to apply the Lancôme Hypnose Drama Mascara on top of that. And as we're doing that, you want to make sure that you're coming down from the top of the lash line and then up and wiggling. When you come down from the top of the lash line, I'm doing so, and then up, you get more volume, more density to the lash, and double the impact as well. Using my trusty same thing that I use for my brows, I'm actually going to line my inner tear duct as well. And this is the Bobbi Brown waterproof eyeliner. So lining it like so. And my eyes are very sensitive, so they do tend to water. And then just do a little pat, and voila, split face. One side with the concealer, you would apply your foundation, powder, blush, bronzer, contour over top of this, versus the other side, which is just my pure skin. Split face. See the difference? See how you can actually make a huge difference with just a couple of products. That is my magic trick for today. Thank you so much for joining Eccentrics Understands. My name is Eccentrics. Please give a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and everybody in the world, have a fabulous day.